1980s Love Story. Chapter 1. A Chill Rain. He had been waiting 2 more hours. Even if the rain eventually turns to snow. He did not move from the meeting place. His hair froze, and the tremors in his fingertips turned into tremors in his heart. One hour later. Looking back over and over again, he headed towards the place where there was a public phone. He thought, if she comes when I leave the meeting place, she'll probably look for me, she'll look for me when I'm not there, and she'll blame herself for being late for the meeting. Then he ran to a place where were a number of payphones. He hurriedly took off his gloves and searched his pocket for the coin. His numb fingers couldn't even find the coin. While he was doing this, he was anxious for her to the meeting place. His fingertips, which had regained their senses a little, found a coin. To others, it was just a coin, but to him right now, it was the only treasure that connected him to her. Just as he was about to pick up the phone and insert a coin, the coin slipped from his fingertips. He hurriedly looked for the whereabouts of the coin. While I was doing this, if she came to the meeting place. Still, the snow erased the whereabouts of the coin. At that time, a man put a coin into the phone he was trying to use. He casually followed the dial the man pressed with his eyes. His heart stopped just once. The dial the man pressed was a number he was used to dialing over and over again. And the voice that came from the receiver was unmistakably the voice of her that he had been waiting for all this time. She is smiling happily. He felt that way. And the two of them promised to meet in the future. Just when his heart started beating again, he spilled snot from his eyes. Tears flowed from his nose. All sounds disappeared from around him. But the earth is still spinning.
Next one. 1980s love story in Kunmamoto City. Why does he keep waiting?